What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Jaji here. Thank you guys for tuning in, and on today's video I will be showing you guys not one but two looks with the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette. Remember, we did the unboxing in the last video. If you didn't watch it, make sure you check it out. So on this video I will just be showing you guys two looks that you can recreate if you own this palette, or if you just want to get inspired, then keep on watching. Alright, so let's get right into the daytime look. And of course, Bloodlust palette. Now, only problem I'm having is I feel like I'm probably going to have to go into another palette, because I love this collection, don't get me wrong, and you know, I love the packaging and all that stuff, but I really truly feel like this is definitely a palette that it's hard to create one look with just this palette. I mean, unless that's what you're going for, but the daytime look I'm going for, I don't know. Let me not speak too soon, and I'm just gonna go for it. I'll be showing you guys what colors I'm using, and then at the end I'll show you guys the final results. But just a little disclaimer, I feel like I am probably gonna have to dig into another palette, but let's move on and we shall see what happens. First shade I'm going in with is Royal Pain. You're having a midlife crisis trying to get where I've been. Well, if you want them that bad, Miss V, you can have them. So when you see me coming, you better back down, 'cause I've been waiting to smack you around. Oh, I don't hold my breath and I don't hold my tongue, and I know that you know that I don't back down to no one. You know that I don't back down to no one. Oh, you should've stayed home. You should've known better. I melt in your mouth like liquid sugar. You thought you were gonna throw it back in my face. Well, tell me, how do my leftovers taste? With all your plastic surgery, here we are. This is my daytime look with the Bloodlust palette. Boom. So this is what I got. Remember earlier I said I was afraid I was gonna have to go into another palette. Well, I didn't, guys. I ended up using just one palette, as you saw. So this is what I got. Super cute. Very happy with the results. So next I will show you a nighttime look with this palette, and then we will finish off the video. So see you in a minute. Let's continue. So in honor of this nighttime look, here's some wine. Cheers. But anyway, same concept. I'm just going to show you guys the colors that I'm using, and then at the end I will show you guys the results, and then we will chat about the palette. And yeah, so let's keep it going. All right, so I was on Pinterest trying to get some inspiration, and I saw like a cute little purple look that I think I want to try to recreate. So I'll just show you guys the color now, but I'll show you it while I'm doing the video. So I think I want to put this in the crease. Start off with this, put this like in the outer corner and this in the inner corner, and then just a whole bunch of glitter to make that inner corner pop. But again, I will show you while I do it, so you will see. But I just wanted to let you know the idea that I had in mind for this nighttime look. So we shall proceed. across. So we blended that out. Y'all saw me. And now I'm gonna cut the crease. I'm actually gonna cut the crease using this Jeffree Star Drug Lord lipstick in white. I actually bought it for that. Oh fuck! I actually bought it for that same purpose, to cut the crease with this. I feel like the white base really gives the color you put over top a nice pop. So that's why I like to use this. I don't always use it like if I'm going over with like a gold or a glitter or a color that is pretty dark and pigmented, then I'll just use like a regular concealer and then I'll throw the color over top. But when I'm using vibrant colors, which what I'm going to put on my lid is, oh no, I dug my nail now. What I'm going to put on my lid is this, and mix it with a little bit of that to make it pretty light. So I definitely want a white base for that. So let's continue.
Oh, I don't hold my breath and I don't hold my tongue, and I know that you know that I don't back down to no one, to no one. Oh, you should have stayed home, you should have known better. I'm melting in my mouth, liquid sugar. You thought you were gonna throw it back in my face. Well, tell me, how do my leftovers taste?
Alright, and here we are, the finished nighttime look with the Bloodlust palette. Where the heck did I put it? Boom, here it is. So this is what I got for nighttime look, and I didn't have to dig into another palette again, so that's good. I was able to just use that excuse me, look at my throat. I was able to just use that one palette, so yay, that's always good. But the only thing that's bugging me is that this is definitely giving me Mrezi palette vibes, because I did a look that reminds me and looks identical to this, and once I did the look I was like, fuck, this looks similar to something I posted on Instagram, and I wish I did another look. But the other look I had in mind was just that, let me show you guys, was this all over the lid, just like a smoky eye using this shade. But I just figured that would be so basic for the video. Like, I didn't want to just go in with one shade and smoke it out for the video. Woo, big deal. So I wanted to use as many shades as possible, and that's why I created this. But it's giving me Mrezi vibes and already did this look vibes. But it's cute anyway. I added a little blue liner just to give it a different vibe. And then on the lips, I don't know if you saw my unboxing sheesh, my unboxing video, excuse me. But I got the lip bundle as well as the palette when this collection came out. So the lip that I am using today is a mixture of, you ready? So first I line my lips with the LA Girl Perfect Precision lip liner in the color Sugar and Spice. Love this. It's a really pretty nude, well, perfect nude for me. Then I went in with Rigidity all throughout and blended that together. And then over top, I went in with Royal Armor just to give it a more like shimmery look rather than it being super matte. So that is the nighttime look that we ended up with. I like it. It's cute. I'm happy with it. But like I said, it's giving me Emeraldsy vibes. But that's my fault. My fault for doing the same look. But I'm not even gonna bother going over like the quality or how this works, whatever, because we already did the swatches before, and you know, I've used Jeffree Star palettes in previous videos, so it's kind of the same thing, the same type of formula on most of his palettes, so I'm not gonna go over that. All I'm gonna say is that I got one look, I got looks off of one palette, but honestly, this is definitely a palette that you're probably gonna have to pick up other palettes to complete a look. If not, you're always gonna have like this purpley vibe going on, or either the black and red. Everything else is pretty much the same tones. I love the palette, me personally. I wanted it just to have in my collection, but if you're someone that's trying to build a kit, or you're just looking to buy a palette that you're gonna use every day, this is not it. I'm just being honest, but I hope that I at least gave you guys some inspiration on some looks that you can do with this palette if you do have it and are stuck and lost on how to use it and what to do with it. So boom, I gave you 2 looks, not 1. I served you 2. I hope you enjoyed both looks. Which girl are you? Let me know down below. Are you more of like the daytime look, simple, or are you more of like a full colorful glam nighttime, or both? Let me know down. That completes the video. Those were the 2 looks like I explained before. Thank you guys for tuning in, and if you're still here, stuck until the end, then of course make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss anything, and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.
You're having a midlife crisis.